Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, I wake up this morning and heard that Al-Nassr want to sign Moises Caicedo. Yes, that Ronaldo Al-Nassr want to sign Moises Caicedo. And I even heard 100 million they want to pay for Moises Caicedo. I say, what? Am I dreaming or this is just a reality? I say, what? Chelsea signed Caicedo 150 million. And now selling him 100 million. The Caicedo, who is 10 times better than the Caicedo we signed 150 million. Now Chelsea selling him 100 million. I said, then, if Chelsea is selling Caicedo 100 million, why not? Today, I bring my money back and sign Caicedo for RTU. If Chelsea is selling Caicedo 100 million, I am signing Caicedo for RTU. That is a low fee, cheap fee. 100 million for Moises Caicedo. What are you telling me? Someone should tell me this is just a dream and not a reality. How on earth? How on earth? Moises Caicedo 100 million. If Al-Nassr is signing Moises Caicedo 100 million, then how much should they sign Ugarte? How much should they sign Kobe Manu? Then 25 million or 30 million for Ugarte or Kobe Manu. Caicedo 100 million. Even if a team is paying 1 billion for Caicedo, I'm not selling him. I'm not selling him. Want to talk of 100 million. As I said, if Chelsea is selling Caicedo 100 million, this is the money back. This is the money back. This is the money back. The money is inside. I'm signing Caicedo for RTU. No. See, Caicedo is priceless. Caicedo is worthless. Caicedo is untouchableless. Caicedo is unsavable-less. Caicedo is the best DM in the world as we are speaking now. And you are selling that player 100 million. This is financial loss to Chelsea. If Chelsea is selling Caicedo 100 million, this is completed financial loss to Chelsea. How on earth? How on earth? In fact, told boldly, if you are selling Moises Caicedo 100 million, let me know. I am a rich man. Let me know. I'm signing him for Real Tamal United. Yes. So guys, information said that Al-Nassr want to sign Moises Caicedo. Initially, when I heard it, I wasn't believing it, or I suspected it. So I did more research, and it confirmed, yes, that they show interest signing Moises Caicedo, something like 100 million to 150 million. Yes, to be serious here, I don't think at this time, yes, his career at this time, Caicedo will go to Saudi for now. No, it can't happen. No. For the fee is low. But sometimes it is about the wages. When Saudi is buying your player, it's not about the fee always. It's about the wages. The players always see the wages and go there. Yes, their salary is most important here. So when it comes to salary or wages, we know just so we can compete. For that one, for sure, nobody can compete with Saudi. When it comes to wages, go and see the amount of money they were giving to Osimhen last summer. Go and see. And the wages they gave to John Duran, he joined them during the January transfer window. Yes. So when it comes to the wages, Chelsea we can't compete. Yes, they can give Caicedo any wages just to convince him. But for now, as I said, in his career, I don't think he will go to Saudi for now. Maybe in the future, if the Saudi clubs are still there available to pay that higher wages, for that one, I support it. Yes, he should go. But for now, he's still young. He still has future. Yes, the age is still by his side. Yes, he can still deliver, play more football in Europe. Why going to Saudi for now? No. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. And my issue is that why should Chelsea even allow Caicedo market value to be on the public? No. It should not be. If you are not selling a player in the next 5 years, then his market value should not be on the public domain. No. So guys, let me hear from you about this news, this information. Should Moises Caicedo go? How do you see this transfer, Caicedo to Al-Nassr? And some fans are saying that they should rather come for Enzo Fernandez. Let me hear from you. Do you think even if they come for Enzo, Chelsea should sell, guys? Yes. And let's come to Chalobah and Maguire transfer. In fact, if you can remember, during the January transfer window, Chelsea interested or wanted to sign Maguire, but Crystal Palace, no, they refused because it was January. So that transfer is back. Yes. And one of the options is that Chelsea may do it in a swapping deal. Yes. Chalobah for Maguire. that Chelsea will pay 50 million plus Chalobah to get McGahey. Guys, let me hear from you about this transfer. Do you think it is the right fee or that transfer is good? Yes, Chelsea paying 50 million plus Chalobah for McGahey. Do you think it is a better transfer? Good method Chelsea doing the signing? Chalobah plus 20 million for Gahey. Is it bad or good? Guys, let me hear from you. And do you even think we need him? Can Gahey come and be the solution to our defensive messes this season, guys? Chelsea inability, Chelsea conceding goals, in fact, here and there, left, right, and center this season under Maresca. In fact, Chelsea are shallow defense. Can McGahey come and be the solution? Guys, do we even need him? Let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes, guys. And this guy won't come to the Premier League experience. He had it. Yes, for the Premier League, he has been in the Premier League his entire career. Let me say that from Chelsea Academy, yes, to Crystal Palace, he had that experience, and currently he is playing well for Palace. In the Premier League, he is not a bad player. Yes, but playing for Crystal Palace and playing for Chelsea is total different thing. Huge, big difference here. Yes, Chelsea, you must win all games. Palace, you must stay in the league. My respect to them. Yes, but that is a reality. Football, we have levels. Yes, when we come to Chelsea, until this new owners came trying to change the identity and the culture, and no way, the tradition is not changing. Chelsea will continue to be a big team today, tomorrow, and tomorrow next. Chelsea will continue to be a title contender team and not a title pretender team and not a participating team. Chelsea will continue to be a competitive team. Next season, Chelsea must play Champions League. Whether raining or shining, Chelsea must qualify. See, if Chelsea doesn't qualify for Champions League, you know me, I'm buying Chelsea. See, wait and see. I am waiting for two things. If these things doesn't happen, I'm buying Chelsea. You see, Chelsea sign an experienced striker. If Chelsea doesn't sign an experienced striker, I will send a buy to buy Chelsea. If Chelsea doesn't sign experienced striker, and if Chelsea doesn't qualify for Champions League football next season, I am buying Chelsea next. You think I'm joking? Chelsea fan, this is why I have problem with you. You guys are not taking me serious. When I'm saying things here, you are not taking me serious. If Chelsea doesn't sign experienced striker, and if Chelsea doesn't get top 4 next season, I am buying Chelsea. If I buy Chelsea, I'm going to sack Maresca and do my appointment and sack all the puppies. Yes, the co-sporting directors. If you want to be Chelsea sporting director, please start writing your application form. Please start writing your application form. I will recruit a lot of people, and that recruitment will come from Chelsea fans. Chelsea fans, because I know you guys are winners. You are winners. So guys, let me hear from you about McGahey signing. Do you think we need him? Should Chelsea sign him? Yes. And let's come to Dean Hodgson, another player. Yes, young player. This guy, this season, he is playing well for Bournemouth. Yes. He's one of the reasons why Bournemouth, they are performing well this season. Yes. He's a defender, playing well this season. And big teams are interested. Chelsea interested, yes, in him. And even Real Madrid, I heard Bayern Munich also interested. Yes. And for his signing, Chelsea even wanted to do it before the transfer window opened. Yes, before June. Yes, Dean Hodgson. And he has been called up during the last international games. He was called up, has been called up. Yes, so that means he's doing well. When a player plays for Bournemouth, he's not playing for Chelsea, Manchester United, one of the big teams, but still, he got a call up from national team. That means he is doing good. Yes. So, guys, another signer for Chelsea. He is on the list of Chelsea, Dean Hodgson. Do you think we need him? Another defender. And do you think he can also come and be the solution to Chelsea defenses messes this season? Yes, Chelsea are shallow defense this season. Conceding goals. Yes, receiving goals here and there. Left, right, and center, guys. Let me hear from you about this signing, Dean Hodgson from Bournemouth. And also, Jamie Gittins, the young talented winger from Borussia Dortmund. Yes, he wants to play in the Premier League, have the Premier League football, have the Premier League experience. And information or reliable sources said that Chelsea is in the right position, the pole position to sign this player, this winger, Jamie Gittins from Borussia Dortmund. Yes, last night against Barcelona, he played well. Yes, I've been observing him since Chelsea linked up to him He is good, talented player, but just that he's also young, inexperienced. That is the issue with Chelsea. Yes. All the players, they are technical brilliant. All the players who are signed, they are not bad players. But Chelsea is a competition team. And young players, off and on, when it comes to competition, they are not reliable. That is the issue. That is it. So if they can just do 2 or 3, 4 experienced signings, I'm telling you, Chelsea will be one of the deadly teams in Europe. We are good to go if they can balance the squad. Not even a lot of experienced strikers or players in the team. No, just 1 or 2 or 3 signings. We are good to go. Particularly Cucurella is doing well. Caicedo is doing well. We already have Reece James. Yes. Cole Palmer and Co. We have good players already. Yes. And next season, some of them may even improve. Enzo Fernandez and Co. Yes. Just add some little bit experienced players. Yes. Todd Bowley. The consortium. Chelsea is a big club for you to be talking about wage cap. Big club doesn't have wage cap. No. We are not managing team. No. Or we are not less financial team. No. We are Chelsea. The numbers are there. And numbers means money. The fans are there. You are making money. Go and sign experienced players. Stop that stinginess behavior. If you can't manage Chelsea as a big team, sell Chelsea to me and go. Sell Chelsea and go. What is that? So guys, Chelsea interested to sign Jamie Gittins, another young player. He is good, as I said. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Do you think we need him? And do you think his signing will be important for Chelsea? And Chukwuemeka loan to Borussia Dortmund. Information said that Dortmund would like to have him on another loan. Or if Chelsea reduce the fee, they may even come and sign him. And Chelsea were selling him 45 to 40 million. 45 to 40 million. So Dortmund said if Chelsea can lower the fee, yes, they are ready to pay the fee to sign him permanently. And these players, Chelsea should do whatever they can do and let him leave. Because if he returns next season, he's not going to play. To be honest, let's be honest. The position is going to play Cole Palmer position. And the wing side already, players there overcrowded. So Chelsea should at least lower the fees more. Let him go. All these young players, they have to go. They have to go and play somewhere else. Because staying in Chelsea, it will look like we have everybody. We have the players. And players next to nothing. They are there, they are not playing. So what is the point here? Rather sell them. Yes, we arrange the money. Yes, go and sign 2 or 3 experienced players. The defense to the striking position. Yes. So guys, Borussia Dortmund still want to keep Kenny Chukwuemeka on loan till, but if Chelsea will lower the fee, yes, they will sign him permanently. Yes. So let me hear from you about this selling his transfer, Kenny Chukwuemeka transfer, guys, under the comment section. Yes. And Benfica also interested to sign João Felix. Yes. I think he was from Benfica. Yes. Oh guys, João Felix, is he not from Benfica Academy? Yes. So information said that Benfica interested to sign him on loan and they want to do it early before the transfer window open. Yes. And that will be a good move because João Felix also, he doesn't want to come to Chelsea and be on the bench. Yes, he wants to be playing regularly. And if you are not giving your best, you can't be playing regularly for a big club. Big teams, you have to deliver. You don't just only play. You play and deliver. So if you are playing and we are not seeing results, we can't be playing you all the time, in which other good players are on the bench. No. You go back to the bench and those who can deliver, yes, they come in and play. So that is the issue with João Felix. João Felix coming to Chelsea, he can be in Chelsea, but he will not be starting. And that is the issue with João Felix. So it isn't that he just wants to be in Chelsea. He wants to be playing regular football, particularly in the Premier League games, and it can't happen because Felix currently, his play of style or his style of play doesn't fit into the Premier League system. He's so sluggish. He doesn't have the strength, or even not even the strength. Let me say the way he's always covering the ball, he is easily lose the ball to opponent. And in the Premier League, if you are losing the ball like that, Charlie, your team will be conceding goals all the time, every day. Yes. So João Felix going to Benfica on loan, it will be good. Even Chelsea selling him will be good. Chelsea should find a way and let all these players leave so that we can arrange the money and sign our 2 or 3 experienced players from the defense to the striking position. Yes. And also Chelsea representatives have a new talk with Victor Gyökeres camp. to still show their interest and maintain their interest on Victor Gyökeres. Yes, Chelsea wanted to sign him. Yes, and for me, now I listed or narrowed down my 3 strikers for Chelsea too: Victor Gyökeres, Victor Osimhen, and Alexander Isak. Victor Gyökeres, Victor Osimhen, and Alexander Isak. These 3 strikers. Now, for me, I want Chelsea to sign. And I think if Chelsea sign any of these strikers, we can even compete for the league title next season. This season, see, I'm telling you, if we were having a good coach and a clinical striker, a prolific striker, on-form striker by now, if Chelsea were not to be winning the league, then top 4 will not be a challenge. So, these 3 strikers, I want Chelsea to sign. And Chelsea should sell. I heard Chelsea will do some mass selling. Yes, arrange the money and go and do 2 to 3 signings. Yes, and maybe, yes, not even maybe, a center back, experienced defender. Yes. So guys, these are the information, yes, we talk about in this video. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. And the preview is coming, Legia Chelsea or Chelsea Legia. Yes, it will be our home Stamford Bridge. The first leg 3-0. Yes, clean sheet. They are coming to Stamford Bridge. Yes. So guys, that preview is coming. During Maresca press conference, they asked him some certain questions. Yes, we'll come and talk about that. They asked him about his style of play, how can he change it, and his relationship with the fans. So please turn on the notification bell. If any new video come, you'll be the first person to see it on this channel. And don't forget to do what? Hit the subscription button and hit the like button. Take care. Peace.